Hello everybody! Welcome! Today we're diving deep and talking about the most overlooked yet incredibly important part of our bodies. It's something we often take for granted. I'm talking about our feet. Yes, those amazing appendages that carry us through life. We pamper our hair with expensive treatments and meticulously care for our skin with elaborate routines. But our feet, which literally do all the heavy lifting, supporting our entire body weight day in and day out, often get neglected and rarely receive the love and attention they truly deserve. So let's change that, shall we? We're diving into some incredibly easy, accessible, at-home ways to get incredibly smooth, soft, and happy feet. And the best part? No fancy spa or expensive treatments are required. So kick off your shoes, wiggle your toes, get the circulation going, and get ready for some simple, effective tips that'll have your feet feeling brand new, revitalized, and ready to take on the world. This is your moment to relax, unwind, and treat yourself to a little foot-focused self-care. By the end of this, you'll be so proud of your feet, you'll want to show off those happy feet to everyone. Or, at the very least, just enjoy how incredibly amazing they feel nestled in your favorite cozy socks. Ready to give your feet the love they deserve? Let's get started. Trust me, your feet are about to thank you profusely for this. Let's go. First up, we're going to treat your feet to a wonderfully warm and soothing soak. This is where the magic begins, transforming tired, achy feet into happy, revitalized ones. Fill a basin with comfortably warm water. Make sure it's deep enough to cover your ankles for maximum relaxation. The water should feel just cozy, not hot. Test it with your hand to ensure it's the perfect temperature for ultimate comfort. Now let's add some goodies. Epsom salt is a fantastic addition for soothing tired muscles and reducing inflammation. Or, for a truly spa-like vibe, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender is a classic choice for relaxation, but feel free to experiment. Now comes the best part. Gently lower your feet into the warm, fragrant water and let them soak for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to completely relax and unwind. Let the warmth melt away any tension you're holding in your feet and legs. Read a book, listen to calming music, or simply close your eyes and focus on your breath. The soak softens tough skin, making it easier to exfoliate and care for later. It preps your feet beautifully for the next step in your foot care routine, ensuring maximum absorption of any products you use. Don't skip this crucial step. It's truly the foundation for everything else we're going to do, setting the stage for healthy, happy feet. You'll be amazed at how instantly refreshed your feet will feel after just a short soak. It's a simple yet incredibly effective reset button for your whole body, promoting relaxation from your toes to your head. Are you ready to say hello to smoother, softer skin and goodbye to rough, dry patches? Wonderful. Let's move on to the next step and continue pampering those precious feet. I bet your feet are already thanking you and feeling much, much happier. Now, let's exfoliate. After soaking gently, rub a pumice stone or foot file over rough spots. Heels, balls, calluses. Use circular motions like you're polishing a gem. Prefer a scrub? Mix sugar with olive oil or coconut oil for a DIY option. Massage it in, focusing on dry areas. Be gentle, no need to go overboard. A little regular exfoliation reveals baby soft skin. This is how you say goodbye to roughness. Your feet are already looking and feeling better. Next up, locking in that softness. Time to moisturize. After exfoliating, your skin is ready to soak up hydration. Use a rich foot cream with shea butter, cocoa butter, or urea. Massage it in, heels, arches, even between your toes. This boosts circulation and feels amazing. For extra softness, slip on cotton socks overnight. The socks help lock in moisture while you sleep. Wake up to unbelievably soft feet. It's a simple ritual that makes a huge difference. Treat your feet, they deserve it. Now, let's finish with the details. Don't forget your toenails. Trim them straight across after soaking. This prevents ingrown nails. Smooth edges with a nail file. Soften cuticles with oil or cream, then gently push them back. No cutting, just a gentle push for a clean look. These small steps make your feet look polished and healthy. A little attention to detail goes a long way. Your feet are now truly pampered. Let's keep them happy. All the diligent care you invest in your feet can be easily undone, believe it or not. It can be undone by consistently wearing the wrong shoes. Ill-fitting shoes, those that are too tight or simply uncomfortable footwear, can negate all your efforts. Therefore, it's crucial to choose footwear that fits well. Ensure there's no pinching or sliding. Your toes should have enough room to wiggle comfortably, and your heel shouldn't slip out with each step. When selecting shoes, look for natural materials. Opt for materials like leather or canvas, known for their breathability and comfort. These materials allow air to circulate, helping to let your feet breathe and preventing moisture buildup. It's also a good idea to alternate between heels and flats. This gives your feet a break from the stress of either extreme, promoting better foot health. Think of shoes as your feet's home, a place where they spend a significant portion of their time. Therefore, make it comfortable and supportive, providing the necessary cushioning and arch support. Investing in good shoes will ultimately help maintain all your hard work in foot care, ensuring your feet remain healthy and happy. Protect your investment in self-care by choosing footwear that complements your efforts. Remember, happy feet need happy shoes. Choose wisely, considering both style and comfort, and your feet will thank you with every step you take. Now let's wrap it up and move on to the next essential aspect of foot care. That's it. 5 easy steps to the softest feet ever, all at home. Your feet carry you every day. Show them some love. Try these tips and enjoy the comfort and confidence of happy feet. Schedule some me time and treat yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Share your favorite foot care tip in the comments. Be kind to your feet. They deserve it. Bye!